Hello everyone. In this one we're going to Muzium Negara in Kuala Lumpur. There are 3 ways to get there. One's by car. There's ample parking space there, well, at least when I went there. The next one is you can use the MRT and stop at the station called Muzium Negara and exit at Pintu B. That will bring you right to the front of the museum. The third way is the hop-on, hop-off bus, but I'm not sure whether that's still operating, so if anyone wants to use the hop-on, hop-off bus, please check with them. There are also a couple of other museums here which is separate from the Muzium Negara. They are the Museum Seni Craft Orang Asli and the Museum Ethnologi Dunia Melayu. The entry fee for Muzium Negara is 2 ringgit for locals and 5 ringgit for foreigners. When I visited the museum, they had a special exhibition, the Global Plague Exhibition, Pandemic, Epidemic and Endemic. The museum consists of 4 main galleries. Gallery A, Early History. Gallery B, Malay Kingdoms. Gallery C, Colonial Era. And Gallery D, Malaysia Today. We will cover those in a separate video because it will make this video really long, and I like to keep my videos around less than 8 minutes long because it becomes really bulky. There are 3 other special exhibitions at Muzium Negara. They are the Power of Gold exhibition on display until 21st June 2021. The Traditional Musical Instrument exhibition, I'm not sure until when, I'm sorry. And the Chinese Lunar Calendar exhibition until 30th April 2021. Thank you for watching. I hope you find this vlog informative and also enjoyed it. Please click the like button, share and subscribe. See you next time.